Right, Bidston Tip Nature Reserve. This used to be a landfill site. Then, I think up until the 90s, then it got grassed over, settled down, and became a nature reserve. It's right next to the recycling plant, and it's not a bad place to be. Over in the distance is a disused Royal Fleet auxiliary ship, HMS Austin, or HMS Fort Austin. Hiya. A lake down there. See that tower block at the far end on the skyline? That's Liverpool. That little church there, St Luke's, Poulton in Wallasey. Should have charged the battery up last night. There isn't much battery left. We'll do it as long as we can. But it's a good place. I mean, I don't know what animals live here. Rats, probably. Yeah, but it's not bad. It's a lovely autumn day. A bit cold, but sunny. That must be a bird's nest at one time. Traffic noise you can hear in the background is the approach to the Wallasey Tunnel, of course. Loads of blackberry bushes. I shall have to remember this place for blackberries next year. Let's see if we can go down to the lake. Bunch of ducks there. I can't quite make out what they are. Loads of reed beds. In the summer, I bet there's quite a lot of warblers. But yeah, it's not bad. With the chill in the air, you can feel the winter isn't too far off, but at least it's sunny and dry. strange concrete structures. No idea what they're for. They look like monoliths from another age. Okay, well I think you've got the gist of it for the time being. I'll have to come again. Have a good day. And whatever you're doing, stay safe. Don't work too hard.